if you are working as a call center, nasa BPO ka ngayon, I think you have to watch this, nasa YT siya, ng Asian Boss. And it's very, very timely since, AI and automation might be taking over our jobs. Pero hindi naman siya 100% no, because most people na kinikater natin, they prefer to talk to human still, lalo na yung matatanda. But this is unlikely na madami talagang maapektuhan ng mga employees, and especially me, like me, I'll make myself an example that I was, removed or retrenched ako last year due to technological advancement and automation, or AI, ganun. So, yung job ko kasi, na siya, parang paulit-ulit lang ba, repetitive yung job ko. And so, ayun, they had to let me go and other na kasama ko. And right now, I nag-transfer ako, nag-switch ako ng career from BPO for about like 10 years or 12 years. Right now, I am trying to be a freelancer or to become a virtual assistant. Nag-apply pa din up until today. Wag natin masyadong i-tolerate yung mga bagay-bagay kasi ako tinolerate ko siya. Sabi ko na I am very vital. Yung role ko sa company is vital because ganito yung work ko, pero isang araw na lang, ayun, jobless na. Ganun. So I think it's very helpful for us to be ahead, so that we can do plan B, plan C, plan D, plan up until Z. Kasi mahirap kasi yung nasa point ka na that you don't have a choice and you don't know what to do. Ganun siya. So I hope that sa mga kapwa ko na naging call center, you don't take this as a negative, but a positive na outlook sa sa career niyo as a call center agent, and hindi naman masama na pag-isipan mo yung future. Ayun, yun din kasi yung mali ko yung mindset ko is nasa now lang, which yun talaga yung nakadali sa akin. Well, I'm not saying that AI will 100% charot will take over our jobs, pero for sure madami talaga maapektuhan yan. If you will watch it, yung Asian Boys na nasa YT na sinasabi ko, you will realize it then. So better watch it before ka mag-bash dyan. So kayo mga naging call center and nasa industry pa right now, ano sa palagay niyo, do you really think that our jobs will be matitake over ng mga AI and automation? Kayo, what's your thought about this? Ayun, wag yun ako i-bash kasi, I'm just sharing lang naman. Okay, bye.